Woo! It is cold and windy here in Chicago. We're going to take a tour of our Cape Cod slash shingle style home. Many of you watched my man cave cigar room video, and I can't believe it, but it's approaching almost 500,000 views. But in the comments, I guess the question people had more than anything was, what does the upstairs of your house look like? So I'm finally getting around to a video of that. So this is the foyer with really nice wainscoting detail all the way up the stairs and around the stairs. And we'll head into the parlor, which is flanked by a couple velvet tufted couches and a masonry fireplace. We spend a lot of time in this room just kind of hanging out and reading. A little mini bar set up here. And then we'll head into the sunroom. Almost floor to ceiling windows made by Anderson. And we've got this set up with a little sectional and TV. And this is sort of where we hang out in the morning and watch TV and drink coffee. The home doesn't have a first floor study or office per se, so this also doubles as our office. And then we swing around to the family room or great room. And this is where we spend most of our time. It's got a full masonry fireplace flanked by bookcases. I'll give you another view over here. The ceiling is detail's interesting. I wouldn't call it coffered, but it sort of has a coffered effect. We used extra wide oak plank flooring. And then this heads into the kitchen, which is open, but it's also unusual in that the kitchen table is in a room unto itself. So this is the kitchen area that leads out to the patio and the fire pit. Really nice kitchen with a walnut butcher block style center island, thermidor appliances and cooktop. This is the pantry. We've got an extra oven, which I thought was a total waste, but it turns out we use it a few times a year for the holidays. Refrigerator. And that leads into the garage and sort of a breezeway. So you can go outside there, hang up your coats and everything. And we'll circle back around into the butler's pantry. We've got a little beverage refrigerator and sink. This comes in handy into the dining room with more wainscoting and really nice crown detail. So we don't use it a lot, but it does come in handy for family get-togethers and parties and so forth, dinner parties. And that's pretty much the downstairs. We've also got a little powder room here. And then that door leads down to the cigar room and man cave. And if you haven't already seen that video, check it out. But yeah, we'll take a quick look upstairs. Nice runner detail going up the staircase. This home was, again, designed by Ray Duncan, interior design out of Chicago. So give them a call if you like her style. It's our style, but she did all the work. And this leads into one of the bedrooms upstairs here. Sort of a nautical or fishing theme. And my daughter's away at college, but we'll take a look at her bedroom. And it's got its own bathroom and shower area with subway type tiles. Walk-in closet. And I really like this room. It's got a lot of details because of the dormer windows that go outside. And then we'll quickly take a stroll down the hallway. For the sake of time, I'll skip one of the bedrooms, but this is another bathroom and some built-ins for a lot of the books we like to read, my wife primarily. And the upstairs laundry really comes in handy. And then we'll snuck in an extra bathroom here. And then this was just sort of unused space over the garage that we made into a bonus room. It's got a ping pong table and a place for the boys and girls to hang out and watch TV and so forth. But when they're not home, we don't spend a lot of time up here. But it's a great room. And then we'll head into the master bedroom. One of the things I like about this house is the rooms are really homey, and the master bedroom's no exception. It's a nice big room, but it's not ridiculously large. You can see the ceiling detail. And the same holds true for the bathroom. It's a good functional large bathroom, but not ridiculous. A couple sinks and tub. Let's see. Nice walk-in shower. And laboratory area. And walk-in closet. You guys probably don't want to see that. So that's it. That's the, in a nutshell, the tour of the main house. And once again, the home was designed by, the interior design was by Ray Duncan and Associates out of Chicago. So check them out if you live in the area. Take care.